Yellow, how's it going, guys? Thank you for watching. Again, for this video, we're going to do some day trading. I'm a little bit late, just about 3 minutes late, but because my system's been acting kind of weird this morning, so I've been kind of refreshing everything. It looks like everything's working right now, so hopefully you guys can hear. You guys can hear everything, and we won't have any issues. We just got like an error message for something. So let me put out some music. Like I said, I was trying to get streaming as quick as I could because of the issues that I was having. But let me put some music before I get too far into it. Give me 1 second. My okay. Back at the library here, and let's see what do we want to do. Okay, I'm gonna try to get some different songs in here compared to yesterday, so you don't get tired of the same songs. But I do not want to play anything that's copywritten because I'll get flagged. 1 second. Is it gonna work? Okay, here we go. Let me turn down my headphones. Okay, so let me get started by saying that I think I messed up yesterday. So as I was saying on the stream, I was looking for some swing trades. So you saw me go through some, you saw me analyze some of them, but I think I overdid it. I ended up going into 5 different stocks positions, and that might have been a mistake because now I got to track all 5. So I've been trying to set up my Thinkorswim so that I can track all 5 of them. Let's see if I have it working. You should be able to see the screen. I also updated the ticker with the current position amount, so you can see that Robinhood, even though I thought it was going to be a negative day yesterday, it ended up recovering, and I was up 200 something. So yesterday was okay as far as my Robinhood account. And because of the positions that I took right at the end of the day, my portfolio here on Thinkorswim went down just a little bit. Not too much, but it went down to about 998, I think it was. But anyways, you'll be able to see it after these Robinhood positions go through. In fact, let me double check because I haven't really looked at it yet to make sure that it worked. I have a lot of positions with the Robinhood. It's coming up. All right, so make sure you feel free to come into the chat, talk to me a little bit. If you have any questions or if you have any advice, I'll take both. And hopefully, I don't bore you guys up here. All right, so because I went into 5 different positions for the swing trades, I gotta be really careful when the market opens. It's 3:06 right now, so we got another 24 minutes before it does. But the pre-market movement is gonna let me know if I'm gonna be in trouble or not. So you can see right there, TD Ameritrade is 998.21, so that worked. Let me put a space between that. Hold on 1 second. Where you at? Yeah, I've been having some issues because I'm getting ready to stream some games. I downloaded, what was it? What's the driving game? I can't believe I forgot this game. It's so popular. The Rockstar games. It's called. What is the game called? Why am I blanking out right now? I gotta go through all these. Grand Theft Auto. I forgot about Grand Theft Auto. So yeah, I downloaded that game, and so I can stream it later on at Twitch. So if you want to check me out there later after this stream, around 10:30 my time, Hawaii time, which is 3 hours different than California time right now. Okay, so now you can see I am back to the Thinkorswim, and these are the stocks that I went into. So Mara, I'm gonna put them up here on each window. Oops. Marrow. So right here, I wonder if that's too busy. All these indicators down here. Maybe I should change it. Yeah, I'm gonna change it because it's gonna throw me off. And so I'll change it to just the regular, simple one, and then I won't link it, so that way when I go back to the main graph, it won't change it on me. Okay, and so we do that one, Mara. And then you can see the green line is where I came in at. So right now I'm below it. And Genus, this is one that I was worried about because it was actually jumped a lot yesterday, and I think I probably got a little bit too into it. See that? So I bought in here and then it dropped because it was high for most of the day. So I might get in trouble with that one. VBIV. And then 1 minute. I'm gonna bring it in a little tighter. So right here, at least I'm above this one. So that's right now. There's only one that I'm above. And pre-market, Riot is the other one. And what does that look like? Let's go to the daily, intraday. I mean, and we'll zoom in. Okay, so right now I can't really tell. Oh, I guess I'm above it right now. Looks like. Yeah, something like that. And we'll go to CMRX. CMRX. Go to the daily. I'm sorry, I keep saying daily. Intraday. And so right there, I'm just above it. Okay, so these are my 5 positions right now, and I think from in the beginning of the market, when the market opens, I'm really just gonna make sure to monitor these, and so that at least I can put some alarms if it goes too crazy. I'm even wondering if I should put stop losses now, or if I should do it after the market opens when we see some volume spikes, I think. I'm not too sure. So let's go back to the main chart here, and then let's make sure they're unlinked so it doesn't change. I can go back and forth. Again, I wish I had 2 monitors, 3 monitors. I mean, I have a huge TV right there. I was trying to figure out how I can get this there, but I couldn't find a HDMI cable long enough to use that as a second monitor because I can just easily see everything right here. But I guess I gotta wait until Amazon starts shipping regular stuff rather than just the essentials, or until what is it, Best Buy opens up again. Okay, so let's before the market opens, let me get to reviewing yesterday's trades, and so I'll bring up my journal for that. Let's see, investing and trading journal. Let me bring that up. I did take some screenshots at the end of the day, so we kind of see where I went in at and where I exited. So give me one quick second. Also, okay. Yeah, my computer is very slow today. Ooh, it's acting so weird. Okay. All right, so let me change the screen. So we go to journal. Are you able to see it? Yeah, there it is. You can see that. Okay, so let's look at what we did yesterday, and I might have to bring up the main display because I want to show you guys the graphs. But let's talk about them right now. So you can see right here. Yesterday we did look at the very top, the first two. So you saw the first one, pretty much the SPXS. I went in it long, obviously, because I can't short, and it was an uptrend. I went in at 11.59, one share, came out of it at 11.56. I had set a stop, a trailing stop, which kind of didn't really work out because it went up and the trailing stop didn't move. So I'm not sure if that's how it's supposed to work. So let's see. Went on live, obviously. Saw it uptrending at new highs. Tried to get into it as momentum was moving up, but quickly downturned and was stopped out. Trail stop. So that one, I was watching a few videos yesterday, and yeah, it's probably one of the rookie mistakes that I realized that I'm making right now is that I see an uptrend, and without really looking at the resistance and support levels, I just kind of go in blind, try to chase it, and that's probably why. As soon as I see it and recognize it as a kind of breakout, everybody that's looking at it recognizes the breakout. So if they went in it, if they went into it previously before it was so easily recognized, then everybody just started kind of selling and trying to get out of it and get their profits, and probably short sellers started going into it, recognizing that it was overextended. And yeah, so that was one of the rookie mistakes. I went in too deep. Let me see if I can bring up the graph so it makes a little bit more sense. Okay, so that one's SPX, this one right here. And let's see how I can bring this up. You know what? I'm just gonna maximize the screen and change. I really wish I had two monitors. So we'll change that to display, and it's gonna get weird for a second. Okay, so right here, this is a graph. I think you should be able to see it. You can see up here, I'll zoom in. Oops, I'll zoom in. You can see that I came in as that momentum was going up, and I had a resistance down here. So there's on the left side, you see three lines: the bottom of the day, and then the top, not the day, I'm sorry, the bottom of the basically pre-market, the top of the pre-market, and then it had that resistance right in the middle. It dropped back down to the low of the pre-market. It went up, and then it surpassed that, and it started spiking up. But I caught it way late. It was already, way into it, right right before it hit that 1164 high that I got into it. Which obviously everybody saw the uptrend, so they just started going in, and then it started short sellers started selling, as I mentioned earlier, and it started downtrending after that. So I had to get out of there. So I mean, I think that's one good thing that I did. I got out of it, even though I was using the trail stop, which I'm still not really familiar with. At least I got out of it quick, so I ended up losing not as much. Let's see. So I ended up losing, what was that? 3 cents. It could have been worse. I mean, my max could have been 11.59, but the point is that I recognized it as a loss and just took it. And obviously, right now, losing 3 cents is a lot easier than losing $300. But the idea is to keep it the same, no matter what the size is. Okay, so let me show you guys the second one. That one went pretty good. That one was CCL, which is Carnival Cruise Lines, I think. And I saw the uptrend as well. This time was a little lower though. So this time I saw hit bottom. It kind of recovered. It started on the uptrend. It went back down to a higher low, and it started coming back up, recovering from that higher low. And then that's when I caught it. So I went in, and I think that that could that doesn't necessarily mean it was going to do well, But I think what I did well, which I got $1 gains from that. I think what I did well. Let me bring the graph up. CCL right here. Let me change the screen. Sorry. Okay. Display. Okay, so I think what I did well. So I saw right here. I hit a low of 11, and then it kind of shot up a little bit, and then it came back down, but it hit a higher low. So when I saw it and I saw it recover, you see that it went up, and that resistance. I think I took off that line, but that resistance that it first initially hit, it tested it again, rebound, and it started moving back up, and it crossed it. I, I think I went in right when so that was one lower bottom, $11, and then it did a higher low, and then one more higher low. That's where I got in right when I saw the turnaround. I got in there, and then I just stayed in it until I was looking at the previous resistance, and I kept saying, you saw it live yesterday. If you didn't go back to yesterday's video, you saw that I'll mark it. I haven't marked it yet, but I'll mark it when I went into it, so you can see the justification and kind of how I tracked it. But I kept telling myself, if it goes below the previous resistance, then I'll sell. But you can see that it never really did that. So right at that green line, if you go up, there was another resistance where it kind of came back down, and then it shot up, and it came back down, but it never touched the previous resistance. So I never felt like I had to sell it, and it did that a couple times. So I went in, and then there was one resistance right there, then one more at the top, really long peak. It came down hard, but it didn't cross. It didn't go to that previous resistance. I did it again, and I did it one more time. And on the third time, when it crossed that uptrend line, that's when I sold, and took a little bit to get, but it was probably a little bit low on that one. I could probably sold right around 1240 something. But I waited until that the two previous resistance. So maybe I could have exited a little bit earlier, but I did okay. I think I'm not too worried about it. Okay, so let's go back to what am I doing? Right here. Okay, so go back to Thinkorswim. All right, and let's look at some of these. Okay, so this is Mara right here. What are we looking at? We're about 9 minutes into it, so right now I'm down here at 79 cents. I'm 89 cents below where I went in at. So we'll see how it reacts. Oh, actually, let me make some lines here so I don't forget. So this is the bottom pre-market right here. All right, it has some resistance right here, so we'll make a line. This seems like an important line here. Okay, I did mark the daily charts already. So if we go back to the daily, we can see that. So I marked these already. See, I went in kind of high. You see that? So it's supposed to be high. It's supposed to be past this previous resistance here. So I should have came in on here, but yeah, I think that's gonna hurt me today. Okay. So really, these are the main ones. Maybe even this one here, but I'm not too sure if that's gonna play if that's gonna have any significant effect on it. And so let's go to Genus, so you can see again. Oh, I'm way high on this one. Yeah. And there was nothing for me to really kind of look at. So that's the one I was telling you. Like I came in too high. I was hoping, because this is the second day, so I was hoping for a third day, but I think that's pushing it. Now these guys, the reason I went into these guys is because they had some kind of a, right here at the bottom it says Genius Brands International signs 5.4 million security purchase deal. Shares jumped 30%. So, I mean, 30% I think is already high. So, we'll see. That might have been a mistake. We'll find out soon. So, really, I went into it because of the news. But look at that. So, I'm already down 65 cents on that one. This is like some pre-market lows here. This is the previous high. So I don't know if it's gonna be able to go past that. Hopefully it does, but we'll find out. So any other resistance you guys see? Okay, so that one, this one right here, probably this one. See, right when I came in, that's a point of resistance right there. See that resistance here, and then support a couple times here. Support, and then it's a long way to go. It looks like it's uptrending though. So this is the pre-market highs. So we'll mark this. It looks like something might happen. Let me go back to Mara and then see. So this is the previous highs. Let's mark here. Okay, I think that's good. Let's go back to BVIB. VBIB. All right, so this is uptrending though, so that might be a good sign. I am up on this one, but you never know what's gonna happen, right? I'm gonna extend this line here to go past maybe a couple hours into the market open, and then let's see close. So you can see the close of the day is a support line here. We'll mark somewhere on here as another resistance. What do you guys think about the song? I had trouble getting past this one, so we'll mark that one too. Okay, and then let's check the daily charts. I checked them yesterday, but let's double check. Yeah, so this one, I mean, it's not as bad as you can see that it's still pretty close to this previous high, so it could still pull up. Look at this shape right here. It's a big drop. It looks like this is gonna be, if it can go past this line here, we might have something. Yeah, so I'm optimistic about this one. But again, you just gotta hope that it does what I think it's gonna do. Okay, so right now I'm up 24 cents on that one. This one, I'm break even so far. So this is the bottom of yesterday right here. I hope that it doesn't go that far down. But you can see that there's a couple points here, like this one. A couple of times that are kind of touched. This is the high. So we see if that plays any kind of role. This right here looks pretty significant here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About 6 different touches to this line. So it could potentially go as far down as here. Actually, look at this. Look at this right here. How did I miss that? This is definitely a strong point. So I think if it goes below here, I'll sell. I'll make a line, so I'll make a alarm so I don't forget. Below. So I'll sell if it goes below this line here. Okay, and hopefully it reaches up here or even higher. Okay, did I check the daily on this one? I think I did. Yeah. Okay. So let's check Chimerix. That's the daily. It's reaching this highway up here, so it could have reached the end already, but you can see that it went past these resistance here, it went past these right here, and now it's trying to reach this one and maybe even this one. So I'm hoping that maybe it comes up to this line, this resistance from before, and I'll change it to the minute so you see how pre-market it is. So this seems like something. Okay. This is something right here. It's having trouble going past this line. Okay, let's see, so it shot up. This is the previous close, and you can see that it became a support for today. So Wednesday's closing price became a support for Thursday's market open. So does that mean that this is gonna come up above here? It is actually. It looked like it hit up a couple of times. So right now, see where my entry point was a little bit at the resistance here, and then it became a support, and it started consolidating up. So I had trouble passing this line. Okay. All right, so what's going to be my exit for this one? So my exit for this one is probably going to be this line here. Oh, open. I didn't put an alarm before this thing gets under control. So if it goes below that one, let me know. Let's go back to these guys. I came in here and it's way down here. So if it goes below this line, I mean, it's going to be a big loss, but at least I won't be rushing it. I'm already $1 and something down. So, okay, Genus. I'm up here. Wait, no, here. So if it goes below here, I'm gonna sell. Okay, so below, and then one more. I need one more alarm. Okay, I got it. So let's go back to the 5 grid and just kind of watch these. Oops, what's happening? Okay. What's up with this mark? What does that mean? Oh, the alarm? Oh. Okay. Riot mark is below. Uh-oh. Riot, where you at, Riot? Right here. Okay, Riot. Let's see. Let's go back to Riot here. How's the VWAP look? Down 16 cents. Oh, actually, there was a bottom right here that I missed. Okay, I'll give it to down here. See if it goes below here. Yeah, I definitely went in too many positions. Now I'm gonna be struggling trying to keep up. So CRMX. Oh, this one's very. Oh, okay, but I just touched it though. So I'm down 6 cents. Let's see. What about this one? This seems like a reasonable support channel right here. Okay, let me make an alarm here. If it goes below. Okay. So this is CRMX. Mara. I'm down 111. Okay. I got 11 of those, so that's why. Okay, this one right here. I'm down 45 cents. What did I say? Let's mark this right here. This seems like a... Okay, what's it gonna do right there? So we're looking for it to cross here. If it crosses here, it might be a good sign, but it could reach all the way down here. Mara is coming down. Oh, Mara. Oh, okay. So maybe this is the previous day. Maybe that's going to be a mark right here. Let's make an alarm. Right now, I'm just watching, guys. Like, I don't really want to overreact and see it shoot up, but I also don't want it to, get out of control. I'm $1.43 down on this one. Okay, I'm just looking for some type of reference. Okay, so that one looks like hopefully stays above this one. The previous close. This one, okay, this one's going up. Yep. Okay, so that one's good so far. This one, what is this one doing? This one went below a certain point here. Okay. Let me make that longer so I know I have a reference. Okay. Do I want it to go for that far down? I'm sure I do. Let me mark this one, see what happens right at this mark. I'll make an alarm here just to make sure, just to kind of keep me informed. Okay. I'm hoping that one goes up. I'm up 68 cents on that one though. Okay, let's go back to this one. So Mara, are you recovering? Mara might be recovering. So it bounced off of this line right here, the previous day close. Not yesterday, but Wednesdays. This is yesterday's close, so it might get up here, or it might hit it as a support. I'm sorry, a resistance. So we'll watch that. This one looks like it's trying to come back down. See, it looks like this, where I'm at right now, it seems like it was a resistance from before. So I'm wondering, our support and resistance. So I wonder if it's going to do something with that. Okay. So remember, guys, I just took some swings so I can try to see if the strategy that I kind of came across is going to work. It looks like it's coming back down. Hopefully it bounces off the close from yesterday. But I need that one to recover. This one right here is just bouncing around. It looked like this is some type of a resistance here. I'm sorry, support. I keep switching those up. So not too much volume, it looks like, or at least. So the VWAP is above this. It's saying it's undersold down here. So we're just to keep looking at it. Let's go back to any other ones. I think I'm gonna check this one down here. Okay, so this one, that's a pretty obvious support line here. Obvious resistance. And it's right around when I came in. Not too much volume, just a little bit of selling volume here. So it looks like this one's gonna flatten out. It's not gonna do too much. I'm down 66 cents. Maybe the excitement for this one is finished. I'm not sure. Okay, so doesn't look too dangerous. Mara mark is below. So here we go. Mara is testing new low. It's below the previous close and it's dropping. It's dropping. What should I do, guys? It is dropping, and I'm down $1.64. Man, could it potentially come all the way down here? I mean, it's continuing to drop. Yeah, see, there's big movements here, and it just kind of dropped below that. So same thing, big movement here. I might get stuck underneath. It's way past the previous close. Hmm. So that's the dangers of penny stocks. You know, it's like you get so many at such a low price that um, small movements. I don't know if they're small movements, but movements like this will definitely affect the price a lot quicker. So, man, I need an exit strategy for this one. I wonder if it's going to continue to test some of these support lines. I mean, this one looks good, right? So, you think it can have another third day of gains? Instead, testing this one. How long will it test it for, though? I'm not even close to my entry price. This one I'm above. So, but I tested this one a couple of times. What's it gonna do here? Let me I was gonna put a trend line there, but I don't think it's clear yet. This one, from what I understand, you want to put uh, uptrend lines below it so you can see when it crosses it, when it switches over, and downtrend lines above it. So again, so you can identify where it's going to cross. There's a lot of selling going on right now. Let's go to Riot. Riot is moving slowly, but I'm only down 1 cent, 3 cents. This one doesn't have too much going on. Chimeric Incorporated. I mean, it's below um, the yesterday's support. Hmm. Okay, so this one's recovering. We tested this line down here. Oh, it looks like people are buying now. So is it gonna go higher? I'm only down $1. Let's put an alarm here. Okay. So right now it looks like that's gonna be the bottom for after the opening. So it's nice to have a little a reference of where it could potentially go back to. This one right here, it's gonna cross it right now. Yeah, it's a lot of selling going on. So the question is it gonna cross this point here? I move that one up. Let's see how close it gets. So with this one, I'm down 85 cents, somewhere on there. I mean, it does have higher highs though. So if I was to put a trend line just on the pre-market, and so it might go back to this actually. So across that, does that mean it's gonna break that cycle, or is it gonna come back up? It's testing. Well, I'm at 5 minutes. Okay. Okay. So it's showing right here. Let me take that one off. Mm, yeah, it's trying to go down. See, I'm starting to see a downtrend here. Downtrend. Is it gonna bounce off of that one? We'll find out. I'm down $1 right now with that one. Let's move this one up. And this is an uptrend right now. This is definitely an uptrend right here. So I'm up 60 cents with this one. Okay, so that might be a winner. Which one? Genus. What happened with Genus? Genus is below. How far do I want it to go? Oh man, it crossed that line already. Even if I'm generous and I drop it down there, it's definitely a downtrend. It's a lot of selling going on with this one. Touched this one a couple times in pre-market. It came up here. I got pretty much saved yesterday from here, as a so it was a support back here. Is it gonna work today? Okay, it looked like a rebound right there. I mean, but it's still gonna be a downtrend. If it doesn't cross this line, it's a downtrend. Let's put an alarm right here. Actually, I got one right above it, or right below it. Okay, what do we have over here? All right, this one is recovering. It looks like this is gonna be support here. How far do I want it to go? Is it gonna cross this one? You know what? I want an alarm if it goes below here too, just so I don't let it get too out of control again. You know what I mean? And if it goes above this line, I want an alarm. Okay, Genus, you're recovering, but are you gonna cross this? Come on, man, cross it. Cross it. That's the downtrend we're looking at right now. So if it, yep, it's struggling. It's struggling. People know it. So now this is gonna be the real test right here. Yeah, if it goes below this, I'm selling. I don't want to put a limit order because it seems like they can. I mean, they can see it, and I think that's just how they get people out. So I'm not gonna put anything for now. But I'm hoping that it crosses that downtrend right there. Technically, that's a higher high right there. Well, what it's gonna do is it's gonna bounce around. Alright, I got my alarm. Let me put an alarm to see if it crosses this. So that way I don't just get bad news every time those alarms go off. Okay, V-beam. Okay, am I losing my... Yep, I'm losing here. Broken. It looks like this has become a new resistance. Support, I'm sorry. I'm gonna move this one so I don't get confused. See, that's a lower high. So it might start downtrending, consolidating somewhere around here. Okay, so Mara is moving up. Okay, good. Okay, Mara. Now I'm gonna check to make sure it doesn't go below here. So instead of being above, now it's gonna be low. If it goes below here, I wanna get an alarm. So that way each line right here, I get something that lets me know it's going up or down. Yeah, this one's just gonna bounce back and forth from this support and this resistance. It looks like. I don't like that this is lower though, so that might show a downtrend. Okay, this one looks like an uptrend. I don't wanna get too. Let's see. Let me wait for it. I'm gonna wait for it. It's starting to look red right here. Let's see. Do I have an alarm for this one? Let me move this one up. Okay. That looks like. Actually, I just told myself not to do it. Don't do it yet. But I'll put I'll put an alarm here just to make sure that I'm tracking. Okay, we go to CMRX. This one looks pretty steady. Right, so this is lower. Let me drop this one so I can have a better idea of its boundaries. Oh, actually, never mind. It's just dropped down here. Yeah. Okay. It's moving slow though. It's moving slow, so I got an alarm set for that one. So I'll leave it for now. Just go back tomorrow. Alright, Mara's moving up. Only down 60 cents. It's coming back down. How far do I want it to go? Okay, so it looks like there's some kind of resistance here. So, oh man, I keep saying it. Looks like there's some kind of support here. So we'll put a line here. Stocks below this point. It looks like it might hold. This one might hold. I'm not sure. I'm gonna go here. Okay, this one has been broken. It's good. I'm hoping it goes up. Let's see. So this is an obvious one here. Is this one? It's having trouble crossing this line. Yeah, this is one that I was worried about though, so it's not too crazy right now. It's moving slowly. Okay, and this one's what? Still maintaining that this line is holding strong, but it is lower highs though. So it's consolidating down here. It's most likely gonna drop down. So I wonder if I should just cut my losses right here. You know what I mean? So this one is trying to break through this one. It couldn't. The next one didn't even get close. I mean, the next one got closed. The next one didn't even get close. So it might be that it breaks down here. So it's testing it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna push through. Let me bring the alarm down just a little bit, just so it doesn't get triggered. And I put one more here just in case. Yeah, see that? It just crossed that line. Oh, it's gonna cross the next one. It's about to test my entry point. It's definitely gonna cross. It looks like it's gonna cross. Riot is up. Okay, nice. So if it goes below my entry point, I'm gonna get an alarm. Oh, how come it's so high? Oh here. Why is it doing that? My market's below. Oh, it's dropping again. It's dropping again. Okay, so this is the point right here. Okay. Even the one that I was up on is starting to struggle. So now let's put a line here. I should be selling some of these pluses, especially look at that. That might show a downtrend. Yeah, that might be showing a downtrend. Is it reversing? Hmm. Riot is still moving up. Ceramax, that one's. Where's my alarms for these? Oh. What? What happened to my alarms for these right here? I went crazy all of a sudden. That's gonna keep dropping. I mean, I don't really have any references past this one right here. That might be too low though. So I want to let it go that low. $335. Come on, man, give me a reference point. Okay. Hold on if it goes below here. Okay, so that line's holding. See that? That line's holding. We'll come back to it. This line is lower low. Hmm. It's pretty good support though. Right, it's below. Right, you're wearing me right. How far are you gonna go? I was holding. I mean, it's holding at $1 loss, but it's holding. This one right here. I'm down $1.10. But that looks like a pretty decent hold, even though it's lower lows. This one. Yeah. It's definitely downturning. Okay, let me know if we go below this one again. Okay. CMRX still dropping. Do I want to get this low? Just out of curiosity, I want to see how low this thing gets. Probably a mistake that I'm making. Okay, Mara. Okay, Mara's holding right there. Genius, man. Yeah, Genius is gonna keep going down. I mean, it's not even getting close to my entry point. Seems like it's just gonna keep dropping. Okay, this is gonna be my exit. So I'll take a loss here. It's pretty solid support. So if it goes crosses that, it's not gonna hold. I'm just gonna exit from there. It's gonna touch it. Does it look like anything? It does not. Not really sure why I got into this one. It's obviously on a downtrend already. See this? See this right here? How come it's not drawing? And I got into it over here. You gotta learn, my friend. You gotta learn. Hello. Let me know if it goes below here. I mean, this one's uptrending though. Genus, you are killing me, man. You gotta bounce off something. I went in at $1.72, 5 shares, and I'm looking at $1.42 right now. Ah, Maris holding, but I'm still down $1. I went in at 87 cents. We're looking at 78 right now. And not a lot of action going on. Genus. B-Bib. What are you doing, B-Bib? Let's see if it breaks this downtrend. It's definitely downtrending in the near time, not near time scale. I think that's how you say it. This one, are you gonna maintain that? This one might be turning around if I keep my mouth shut. I'm gonna take a risk on you, man. I'm gonna wait for you to get to the previous day's low. If you cross that, I am done with you. What was it, V-Band? What are you doing? Okay. I'm not super confident about this one. I'm gonna take that line off. Confusing me. Are you gonna cross that line? Okay, right now I'm up 165 on Robinhood. It started at negative 687. So right now it's okay. For the most part, they're all green. Low. Took a big drop. This one might hit previous lows too. Oh wow. What did you do? Alright, so now I'm 15 cents down on this one. Even though I came in up. It was a mistake not to let it go. That might have been a mistake. Mara held right here pretty good. And then Genius looks like it might start recovering. It broke this downtrend. So I'm hopeful that it's keep going, but I just might be off on my line. Riot. I mean, Riot is in an uptrend. It seems like it's consolidating though, because this is lower. This one's a little higher. But I didn't stay there too long. I'm at break even with Riot right now. Okay, this one's starting to look a little better. At least it's holding right around here. What's this right here? It's 337, which means I'm down 42, but it could turn around. All right, let's go back to Mara. Mara is starting to lose its momentum here. So it didn't get close to this line. Yeah, I'm struggling. Wonder if it's gonna reach. See, so I'm thinking it's gonna do the same thing that was it Genius? Yeah, this VBIV where it started kind of consolidating down. See that? It doesn't want to break this downtrend right here. It's struggling. What about this support? Is it gonna be able to? Is this gonna be able to hold it? Let's look where it's coming from. Let's see. Doesn't seem very strong. Uh, yeah, it looks like the closing date from the previous day might be the strongest support there. This has a nice little uptrend going, so hopefully it continues to throughout the day. It might go stagnant there. That looks like that flag pattern. This one is holding. That was a big drop though. I don't know if it was worth letting it drop that low, especially when it was up above. We're almost an hour in and things are slowing down already. Look at that, all red on the right side, but not too much volume. See, the VWAP is down here, so you can assume that it's going to come try to touch. Hopefully it'll bounce off this. It'll keep going higher. Actually, I didn't check the VWAP in a lot of these. Okay, this pattern's broken, or is it like this? Maybe. It's trying to get up to the VWAP. Ah, this one just broke. Yeah, this one's not looking good. Man, I was up on this one too. I went in at 213. I was up as high as 230. So that was what? 17 times 4. 60 something cents, almost 70 cents. Oh well. It's downtrending, which is not good. This one's uptrending. It's having trouble crossing that previous closing price here though. Ugh. I had to say something. Yeah, this one's gonna stay down here. I don't see it doing. I don't see it doing much anytime soon. Can you short and go long at the same time? Does anybody know that? Like the position right here says long plus 2. So what would you say if it's short? Not sure. Okay, Mara, at least they moved up for this. I found a new resistance here. I keep saying it. I found a new support. We're still down 89 cents. What's my account look like right now? Down to 935. I started at 998. Huh? How is it? That doesn't make sense. No, that doesn't make sense. Okay, 997. Okay. I was gonna say. Right mark is below, obviously. Man. This guy. What are you doing right? Yeah, my number one mistake is going in too many positions. Riots, riots. It's about to cross another one. That's weird. It puts the alarm way up here. Ah, man. I should just saw when I was up on a lot of them. You know what I mean? This one's gapping. Why is it gapping? Ah, V-bib. This one crossed the previous. Damn it. I guess I should sell. How many do I have? 4? Ugh. Okay, so that was a loss. It's gonna recover as soon as I sell watch. We'll find out if it was a mistake soon enough. 423, 204. At the bottom too, watch. Oh, that's gonna hurt if it's at the bottom of the bottom. That's gonna hurt. Hmm. Wow, look at that. I was up 70 cents and I got it down to negative 11. Hmm. Oh, that's irritating. The one that I was green on, I got shaken up. Oh well, that's how it is, I guess. Okay, so I'm out of that one. Oh, was it? This one? Yeah, I'm out of this one. No longer in that one. Mara still down 60 cents. Genus, what is it doing? Is it breaking this cycle here? Hopefully. Down $1.30. Gosh. It's below the VWAP. This one was below the VWAP. It was undersold. The MACD was negative. Should I go back in? Should I go back in? Ugh. I'm just gonna let it go. I'm just gonna accept it because it could easily just stay. Anyways, just accept my losses, man. I gotta get better at this. What is this one? 515. VBI vaccines on pace for highest close in over a year. I should let it. Hmm. This one's holding. Mm. It's below the VWAP. Undersold. MACD below it. A lot of selling though. And down 21 cents. I heard something going on. This one is holding though. On Riot. Oh, this is gonna upset me. Look at that. How is it? I should have sold the thing. Come on. If I was up, I should have sold. That should have been my strategy. Especially when it's going down. Now all four of them, all five of them, basically, looks like I'm losing. What is this one doing? Right mark is below. Man. Earnings on 511, 20 after market central. It's already past 511. Should I get spooked out? What do you guys think, man? Is this one gonna hold? I don't want to make the same mistake I just made. Yep, it's just dropping fast. How far are you gonna go? Oh man, it's just gonna hold. Oh my god, what the heck? Look at that. What? What is happening? I mean, if I can figure out why he just took those three big dumps. What is going on? Look at that. Hmm. What is happening right here? That was a massive drop out of nowhere. See, that's a higher high right there. If the next one's green, I'm going in again. Call it revenge trading. If the next one is green, I want to go in. Yep, it's green. We're at $2.10. 2, 4. Send it. Okay, I'm back in. I feel silly, but I'm back in it. Oh man. So let's do another buy line, which is 210 at 439 right there. Oh, I feel dumb. I feel like I made a mistake. My silly goose. Silly goose. This guy is doing a higher low, so that might be a good sign. I don't know how fast it's gonna move, but this one's killing me. This one has not turned around. How long should I hold this thing? I'm still dropping. Hmm. Still going down. Uh-oh. This thing's breaking down. Ooh, okay. Right is recovering somewhat after freaking me out. All right, so we got some references now here. The bottom. It's not a great graph. They're waking up on over here on this side. Dun, 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 dun. I didn't even put an alarm. Let me get rid of this line because it's confusing me. This is not showing much. Wow, look at that. My entry point has been a resistance and support. Maybe I can get my my 11 cents back. This one's running flat. Oh, this one's still dropping, man. I should sell it. I should definitely sell. I mean, it just keeps going down. And the VWAP's way up here. It says it's undersold. MACD is below the thing. And it just keeps going down. Duérmete. ¿Qué? No puedes dormir. ¿Cómo no puedes dormir? Son las 4 de la mañana. Duérmete acá, pues. I keep that moving that one down. I don't think it's in a hole though. There it is. There it is. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Gotta go up. Come on, do something. Then put an alarm before I forget. Okay, one below creates. Let's hope that holds. What's this one? Mara. Okay, Mara's coming back up. It looks like this one has now moved to here. So can it cross that point? Low volume. Down 62 cents. This one right here. Riot is down here somehow. What happened? What happened over here? Downtrending again. I guess in this jump right here, people started shorting it. Selling it, shorting it. It's coming back down. Just keep watching it. And this one, okay. At least I got my 11 cents back. Man, that's crazy. How far is it gonna go though? Is it gonna go past the VWAP? Alright, let's see if it goes back to where I initially bought it at. If it does, I'm just gonna sell it again. There's a sign up here that says VBIB 515.20 at 433. Stocks that hit 52-week highs on Friday. Was it a 52-week high? Okay, right here. Okay. Let's see if it stays to this trend line. I can't believe I sold it up here, down here. This one's down. Oh, baby. Look at this big jump right here. Okay. I'm starting to get a little bit more clear. The line is starting to become a little bit clearer. But not super obvious. At least not yet. That's probably gonna go flat. But I just add that in there, just give me a little bit of a confidence boost. Okay, this one got broken, that's good. So now we're hoping it goes up. I'm minus 150 right now. Okay. Is it gonna go below this point? It's got a long ways to go. I got Mara one more time. Needs to cross this line. And then Riot. How's that look? That makes sense right there? Is it gonna be able to do that? Man, look at that. I guess I should have sold it and then bought it back up down here. Sold it up here, bought it back down here. Just kept watching it. That's what I should have done. That would have made 60 cents already up there. If I bought it down here, 11 plus, what's that? Six 32. Anyways, woulda, coulda, shoulda. I'll move the alarm up a little bit just so I can adjust my exit. Okay, that one kind of changed up a little bit, so I'm gonna adjust. Okay. Gina's. Oh, oh. Okay, just a quick. Hopefully, there's just a quick little adjustment. It's holding on that line though. That was a quick little pullback, I think. All right, this one's slowly coming back up. I mean, I wasn't that much higher when it opened. It was at 360. I went in at 359, so I would have made 2 cents. Right now I'm down 34 cents, but it's on an uptrend, so hopefully it keeps going. Might take all day though. Oh, never mind. Looks like it's just flat right now. Okay, that was quick. And it's dropping again. Ugh. Oh, Genius. You're killing me, Genius. Uh-oh, everything's dropping. Oh, it went way past them. Alright. Is it gonna recover? What is happening again? I mean, I don't want it to go all the way down there. That's the next natural resistance, though. It's probably pushing people out from back here. I'm gonna hold it. I guess you can justify anything, huh? Even though it's been on a downtrend since yesterday. It's a big drop. This one's staying pretty steady. Which means if I'm in at 87 cents, 81 is between 81 and 78. I got 11 shares. Oh, what happened over here? right broke my uptrend, and it looks like it's downtrending now. Boom, boom, boom. Lower lows. I should get rid of this one already. Another one that I was up on for a little bit, and now I'm under it. I mean, it's holding kind of steady here, but it looks like it's going to drop if it follows this pattern right here. Okay, so that's a resistance, and it's dropping. It held right there. Let's have the alarm. That's good. I mean, it could drop all the way down here and still be in an uptrend. But I think it's going to hold right here. Okay, I held it. That's good. This one's recovering back up. Not a lot of volume. See how these white lines? That means it didn't move for that 1 minute. So until up here. 501, 459, 58, 7. This coffee's not helping. My light is not. I bought a ring light, but it's not here yet because Amazon's taking a while for to deliver stuff. I guess she got bored. Okay, we have a few uptrending right now. All right, let's should we jinx it? Let's see if it keeps this. How come I'm holding my breath? I don't know why I'm holding my breath. Let's see if it holds to that. This one's still going flat. Let's bring it down. Oh man, this one's dropping. See that? All right, let's jinx this one too. It's got to break somewhere. Oh, Mara is flat. You might have to hold this one a little while longer. This one needs to break that. Let's bring it down. How's this one doing? Okay, we got 39 cents and it's holding that pattern pretty good. Let's adjust a little bit. See, it's above the VWAP already, and it's showing oversold on the RSI. It's crossing on the MACD. So is this the time to sell? What do you guys think? It's holding this one pretty good. So if it goes down to here, which is somewhere around 215, I'm in at let's say 210. 5 cents times 4, 20 cents. I mean, at least I'll make my 11 cents back. So let's see if this uptrend holds. It looks like this is the new resistance here, but it could drop just like that. It just did, and it broke that pattern. Maybe I shouldn't have adjusted it. Interesting. Wow, look at that. It touched the VWAP. See, you try to get people out. It touched it, and now it's moving back up. So as you're gonna cross this one right here, let's mark that one too. Just like ladders, you know, it's like a ladder. We're just gonna keep at and see if it's gonna go past the next step. Got so many lines though. Look at that. Blue where I sold, yellow where it closed, green where I bought again, green where I bought before. Then support, resistance, support, resistance, and then that trend line. It's a lot of lines. Okay, so let's see if it hits down here, we'll sell. And if it crosses here, then it'll move to down here. Everything except this one is red from the previous day. And Robinhood portfolio is up 100 and oops, it just dropped 143. It was at it's acting weird. Let me refresh it. It was at plus 353. It dropped down to plus 100 and it's recovering. It's going back up now. Dun 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 dun. Come on, man, break past this. Dun, dun. They're struggling. G-News. Okay, G-News. What are you gonna do? You gonna break down right there? Going to that VWAP. Mara is just flat. Not a lot of orders coming in. See, there's no buy orders. There's 15 sellers. Oh, there's one down here. There's 15 sellers here. Nobody's selling. Penny stocks, man. Marathon Patent Group. It's 509, 510. There's a couple orders that came in at 79 cents. 79.99, 79.84. This one broke this pattern, so does that mean it's going up now? Look at all the orders compared to Mara. I mean, it is up 5.73% for the day compared to yesterday. Chimerix Incorporated is flat. I'm down 40 cents on that one. $1.40 on Genus. Well, it was close to $2 earlier. Yeah, this pattern is not really sticking. higher, higher highs though. It's a good sign. The only thing I don't like about getting this far down the day, like we're almost at 2 hours after opening, is that it starts getting slow. Because everybody comes in the morning to try to make their money and bounce. All the maps have different settings here. So busy. I'm losing Slovo. Okay, this one's recovery, I think. It touched the VWAP. I'm gonna come back though. Might bounce off of that. 32 cents down. $1.48 down. 54 cents down. But oh, it just crossed this. Okay. Okay. Alright, so let's put an alarm here. Oops, here. Let's see if it comes back to that. This one's not gonna go up. Oh, maybe it just did. Yep, it just did. There it is. Oh my gosh. Maybe I need to talk to it, caress it, give it encouraging comments. All right, so that's broken. Now we're looking at this right here. Let's move this one up. Now we want to break through that ceiling right here. And we're only down 35 cents. This one up 42 cents. It needs to cross this line. It's maintaining the uptrend, upward trend. Just keep it right there. All right, so now I'm thinking, oh, okay, crossed it, but it came back up. I'm sorry, it crossed it, but it came back down. And now we want to move this one up to maybe here. Okay. Okay, this one jumped a few times and I got stuck right here at the VWAP. VWAP. Let's put a line around how. All right, so let's put a line on this one just because I struggled to get past this. All right, and I don't have any alarms set, so we're gonna put an alarm on this one and let us know if it goes below it. Why does it do that? See how it jumped up? Okay, and this one, the pattern is looking kind of broken. Maybe it's a little bit wider, something like that. I don't know why I hold my breath when I'm trying to align these. Okay, even if it gets back to the VWAP, I'm still gonna be down. It's gonna be at 151, and I came in at 172. I'm still gonna be short 20 cents times 5, which is gonna be $1. Yeah, I knew that was gonna be the mistake though from yesterday. So we'll see. Hopefully, I'm wrong about it. Looks like it's pushing up right now. It's gonna struggle to get past that resistance right there. It's struggling. It's trying. See how it was a support back here, and then it collapsed right on there. The bounce that became the resistance. It came crashing down, recovered right here to the support, and somewhere on that general area, it bounced back down, shot up on this general area, back down, and it's trying to cross it now. So hopefully it succeeds. And then Mara is up, and now we have a new resistance here. So let's mark that just to keep it tracking. It has a nice little uptrend here, slow but steady. So it's gonna move sideways for a little while, it seems like. It's above the VWAP though, so it might force it back down. If it does, VWAP right now it's at around 78 cents, which is $9. 9 cents from where I came in at. 9 times 11, 99 cents. If it gets down to the VWAP. But right now I'm at negative 50 cents. If I'm being honest right now, I'm not a big fan of swing trades. It's my second time doing it, and it seems like it requires a little bit more patience and emotional control. Because you come in blind, you know, when the market opens. Okay, let's keep moving down. This one's just staying flat. It's struggling to get past that resistance right there. Just trying to get back up to the VWAP. Oh, similar mark is below. Is it crashing? Yep. As you can go past this one. If it goes past this one, it's not going to be a higher low. It's going to be even, which is going to break that pattern. This pattern. This one has been broken, so we'll get rid of that. Wrong pipe. I did go to sleep at 7 yesterday. It was easy waking up, but man, if I'm getting tired over here, you guys must be dozing off. It's hot too. It's getting hot here in Hawaii. It's not always hot. It's mostly good weather, and then it gets really hot August, September, and somewhat cold in probably February. It just dropped and stayed there. There's too many orders. So let's make another alarm here. I guess because there aren't too many orders, somebody just decided to, oh snap. Let's add or above. Why did, oh, did I put above? Below. Okay. Yeah, one of the problems with the technique that I've used to find these um, swing shares, swing companies, is the float or the volume of shares available, and I should have checked. So instead of just randomly going by the graph, I did mention yesterday that I was going to do a little bit more of a fundamental analysis, not just the technical, not just going by the graphs, but also by the company. And I think I failed to do that because I didn't even check the float numbers on these shares, on these stocks, and so I think that's why I'm having trouble. Um, no, that's not what I meant. That's why it's moving so slow. It's just there aren't a lot of shares available. Okay, it broke through this one right here, so that's good. You can see there isn't really much going on, especially when you see this ticks. I mean, the price stay pretty even. I mean, they are penny stocks though, so at least I'm 43 cents down instead of a dollar something like I was earlier. Oh, it just jumped. It just went up to 83, almost 84. What was it? Yeah, it just went up to 84, a big jump. And I'm in at 87, so that's 3 cents away from break even. That's a good sign. Yeah, it looks like it might be getting up to where I bought it at. Let's hope it keeps going. Right, it's staying flat. Struggling to get past this resistance. This one's starting to consolidate. See that? See how this had big highs right here, and now it's starting to kind of struggle, especially with this line. That's a third time that it tries to cross that. I don't know if it's gonna be able to do it. People might panic and start dropping, start short selling. I guess it's struggling to get back past the VWAP here. Too far past the VWAP. I'm up 41 cents. Mark is below. Yeah, this one's gonna break down. Another one. See, I told you it was gonna break down. That's a VWAP, so we'll see if it holds. Then I'll keep it. If it breaks down past the VWAP, I'm gonna sell. Just take my profits. So, yep, it's breaking down right here. Below. Why does it do that though? I put it way below and it's gonna move up. Watch, see? I don't understand why it does that. So where are we at? We're at 221, 221, and there are orders at 220. Okay, it's going back up. All right, so this is going to be the point right here. So if it goes below the VWAP, I'll sell. If it goes above this one, then I'll just hold it. You can tell, see how it's starting to make this curve like this. You can tell. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, you can tell it's trying to kind of weaken the uptrend. So you already broke this. Get rid of that. Down 15 cents. This one is not relevant anymore. Let's move this one down. It is a higher high though. I mean, it's a higher low. So unless it continues to drop right now. Did I put an alarm? No. Create alarm below this mark. It could still reach, it could still go below this one and hit this bottom one here. Okay. Looks like this one's not holding. Look at that support here, kind of resistance here, support here. What is this one? Oh man, oh, I was zoned out for a second. Let's move this. Well, let's keep that one there, but put another one right here. Okay, so we're moving up. That's a good sign. I don't know if this trend line is, if it's relevant anymore. Okay, so let's move this alarm to right around here. And so the figures below that. Now we're down 33 cents instead of $1, almost $2 like we were earlier. So down here we were at 78 cents. We're in at 87. Oh wait. No, we were down way down here. It's 71 cents. Okay. Now we're moving up. Moving on up to a deluxe apartment in the sky. Can't sing. Where did I get this one? Okay. Oh, this one has a long way to go. 38 cents down. How's the sound? Can you guys even hear anything? This whole time you might have not heard anything, huh? Is my volume too low? Okay. I'm still struggling. This one, come on, man. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. You can even see 1, 2, 3. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got 5 touches right there. Come on, push through, bro. You know you want it. I'm scratching. I'm touching myself. Oh, struggling, man. Come on, Mara. Wait, is Mara? No, this is vaccines. VBI vaccines. I wonder if they're trying to find a vaccine for this coronavirus. What we're looking at, up 47 cents. Minus 11 I lost, so 36 cents. There it is. Do it. Push. Push. This one people are gonna stop buying, right? Come on. Ooh, there it is. Okay, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, good. It's a good sign. Got my alarm set. Good. Okay, let's go back to CMRX. Oh yeah, at least it held pretty good down here. I'm still negative 46 cents, which is not good. If you're looking at, this is 4 shares. So if I was doing 400, so 100 would be, maybe not 400, because 100 would be $360 times 4 would be 120. I mean, not 100, 1,200 something. So that would be 46 bucks. No? Something like that. No. If it was 100, it'd be 46. If it was 400, I'm confusing myself. If it was 400, it'd be 400 at $46 down. Okay, let's check the next one. Gina is still holding that uptrend, unless I just jinxed it by saying something. And I'm gonna move. Oh, okay. This was a resistance here, a support here, and it's again a resistance over here. Ooh. So something's gonna happen right here. It either breaks the uptrend or it goes up. Oh, what's that? It's below. Ugh. What is up with this thing, man? Below. And then we got this. Oh, I just looked at that. Okay. Come on, do something. Oh, it just went over? No. Just at the line. Mara is slow. It's moving up. This one, Riot, down 42 cents, and it's pretty flat. This one's kind of lower here, but a higher high, so it's consolidating somehow. So let's make a line. Okay, so I guess it potentially can side step all the way to this line, or somewhere along the way it's gonna cross this. Oh, nice. Okay, this one broke through. Good. Now we're up 54 cents. So I guess it's good that I got back in it. It's bad that I sold in the first place, but okay. So now this looks like it's gonna be the new. Oh, never mind. Spoke too soon. Crossed it, but it came back. Probably shook some people out over here. Let's make a new line here. Man, this one's gonna give me trouble. Yeah. Yeah, it's just straight up downtrend. I should just get rid of this one. So keep dropping. I'll buy it at 359, is at 330. That's 29 cents times 2. 8 cents. Oh, it's down here. It's already below closing the previous day. So it's below closing from yesterday. It's below yesterday's closing. It's below Wednesday's closing. So none of these are holding. Let's just get rid of it. I'll try to get rid of it up here if it doesn't cross this, if it doesn't switch. Because this is now a new bottom. Not great. Alarm. Great. Below. Create. And we got, oh, this one broke. Broke the pattern. And it just seems like it. It's going flat. It looks like this is a support. They're so even. Not a lot of wicks. All right, we're getting close to 3 hours. A lot of negatives. Should really rethought the swing trading. Move so slow. I bet you the ones that know what they're doing are wondering why I held it this long. I could have just sold it up here. Because I'm new. It's in the title. Let's go back to the 1 minute. Come on, guys. Let's get the price up. Genius. Oh, minus $1.40. Is that what I had it at? Do you guys know how the trailing stops work? Because they can see the order down here, right? So if they see there's an order here and there isn't a lot of sellers, I'm sorry, not a lot of buyers, wouldn't they just get the price down to get me out, get the order out? It seems like that's a strategy, right? This one's flattening out. You think he's gonna cross that line? Man, penny stocks, guys. Yeah, I gotta avoid these slow float penny stocks because the movement is so slow. I don't think this one's gonna. I mean, it went down a lot. Oh, maybe I buy. Oh, I bought that. Uh, it's a big loss. percentage wise. I mean, this one's recovering, but I don't know if it's gonna get to miss a new episode of your first trade at 11. Ah, long way to go for these, man. Yeah, I don't think this one's gonna go up anymore. Just sell it. Let me move the alarm up. Should definitely sell it though. I mean, it looks higher highs here, but I'm struggling to get past this line. I'm at 55 cents, which is the only one that's winning right now after I lost 11 cents. Struggling. It's gonna be a big down day for me today. This one. It's dropping. It's dropping more. I should get out of it. See? Uptrend's down. It's done. Starting to go flat. It's gonna be $1.45. I wonder if they're trying to shake people out of here. I mean, but how low do I want to let it go? Right now, I'm just holding and hoping, I guess, which is not the best strategy. Oh, it's dropping more. And then hold. What if it's the highest it's gonna go? Okay, I'm just gonna sell. I have 5 shares. So what's this price right here? I'm gonna see if it comes at least back up to this line. 42. 43. 41's standing by. I let it get down too low. Music's finished. This one's not even gonna do anything. This is an obvious bound trend, but is it gonna turn anytime soon? Like, how do you know? You know what I mean? Is there anything that says, okay, so like right here, this is a support a few times and then becomes a resistance. You know what I mean? Let me get rid of these. So, do I wait for it to get up here? Sure, I cut my losses at 50 cents. $1.45 with this one. That's $1.95. 50 cents. Oh man, this one just dropped a bunch. Damn it. It's 83. There aren't a lot of orders in either. I had too many going. Way too many. I should just taken my wins when I had the chance, and then just waited until patterns built so I can sell or buy into it again. I just found new ones. So like this one. Mm. Okay. So we're at 3 hours, guys, and I think I'm gonna take my losses. You know what I mean? On the one win. Because I don't think these things are gonna change too much. And then I don't really wanna stare at the screen all day and then just watch them go down lower and lower. So this one, it's obviously going down. So I'm just gonna take my losses right now. So we got 2 shares, and then we'll put it in. You know, I will put it in at 333 and see if be part of those 19 orders waiting. 20. Go down to this one. This one is pretty flat, so I have how many shares? I have 5 shares of these. So we'll take it at 144. Oh, hold on one second. We'll take it at, yeah, we'll just take it at 144. And see if those come in. And then we got Mara. Mara, I should take them. Man, I got 11 of these. So 11 of these, and there aren't too many sellers. So what if I bring it back up? Just out of curiosity. It was at 83.26 before. Is that too high? You got 20. There's 20 orders waiting at 81. We'll go back to 83.28. 83. There's 83 right there. There's 6 at 83.26. Yeah, I'm gonna sell it right there. And we'll go back here to Riot. And Riots, we got, how many we have? We have 3. And it is also on the downside, so maybe we can set it right here at where it was peaking, which is 215. Yep, 215. Just with a bunch of other people. We'll close at 215. And then for this one, I'm up. So I wonder if I can get it where it was at 228. 228, so 4 shares at 228. There's a few orders. Uh-oh. They're dropping. There's a few orders at 4. At 230. I'm gonna go to 28. What the fudge? It's dropping. Uh-oh, why is it dropping? What's going on? As soon as I put my orders in, it started dropping. Your Rye got filled. Guinness got filled. Why did it drop so much like as soon as I put the orders in? This is interesting. They want me to chase them. Look at that. It just dropped again. More. I mean, big drops. CMRX got filled. Look at that. That's crazy. Are people just giving up? Is that what it is? This is very interesting. I wonder if it's because if it's 6 o'clock and everybody just giving up right now. Look at that. Right at those levels, man. Look at that. It's got a line right here. Got a line right here. Got a line right here. Is it even gonna go back up? Now I gotta watch this because I am very interested in what's going on right there. A lot of people at 221 and it's dropping. What is up? Do I chase it? Look at that. That's crazy. As soon as I put the order in, it dropped like, what's that? 10 cents? I don't really want to chase it. Just gonna do it again. It's very interesting how that happens. Like as soon as I put the order in, right above what I was basically sitting on for at least 10 minutes, and then it drops 10 cents. What is the psychology behind that? You know what I mean? Like people, like, was there's just a bunch of orders coming in at the same time, so people just panicked and started shorting it and selling it. The shorting it makes the price go up because you're buying. No, you're selling. When you're shorting, you're selling. That's right. It just went past the VWAP and then it's recovering. You know what? I'm gonna leave it right there. I'm gonna leave it at whatever price I put it up there. I'll let it be there all day. I gotta figure this out. How I did that. Okay, so this one closed. Let's see. For a loss, obviously. At 606 at 333. Right there. And that was a sell price. So obviously took a big loss right there from the previous day. I shouldn't have let it get that bad. Which other one? So I'm out of this one. And then failed at Riot. Let's go to Riot. And that Riot, I'm sorry, that share stock went at 605 at 215. For a loss. Big losses. And that's the only one so far. So, oh, Genus, Phil, Genus. Okay, so I'm out of Riot. Then Genus. Did I put a mark for? Yep. We go Genus, and then that one is going to be at 602. Oh, let me zoom in. So 602 at 144 right there. And that one's another loss. And I'm out of this one. That was the biggest loss, 95 cents. So I got two left. I got Mara, which doesn't look like it's going to go back up there. It's pretty low. It was a big drop. And this one. Now it's going to take a while for it to get back up there. Oh, man. That was crazy. I should buy more right now. The 221. It needs to go up 7 cents for mine to fail. My market's below. Yeah. Late, my friend. Oh wait, no, Mara. Yeah. How many orders are up here? Is mine the only one? $83.25. I'm way up there. There's a guy at 85. 85 cents. two orders and 92 cents. Mm. I mean, it seems a long way away, especially when it's dropping right now. I'm just gonna leave it. Look at that. Everybody's selling. Everybody's getting out at 6:15. Look at that. That's very interesting. Is it the time? I mean, look how long it took for it to go from here to here, or even here. Look how fast it got down. Man, they both got to the VWAC real quick, real quick. Mm. I guess they're all dropping around this time, huh? Hmm. Okay, I think I'm gonna end the stream right here, guys. I'm going to leave these two, and out of pure curiosity, I want to see if they get back to that price right there. Um, I don't think I want to be. I don't want to hold them over the weekend. So if anything, I just sell them. If they don't, if the order doesn't fulfill from now to the end of the market closes, I'll just end it there and take the loss probably. But yeah, like I said, I'm learning. I'm trying to figure out the best technique, the best ways to do it. Today wasn't a good day, obviously, because even the one that I was winning on just dropped down like crazy. But yeah, learning process. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you leave some comments on some video suggestions. I am still doing vlogs. I am planning to do some more keto stuff. I've just been kind of, you know, stuck at home and really lost creativity for that stuff right now. but I do plan to go back to it. And yeah, appreciate you watching. Hit that like button. Thank you. Bye bye. See you. And don't forget, right now it's 6:20, so in about 4 hours, I'm gonna hit Twitch TV, same twitch.com/LVP1980. So check that out. I'm gonna be playing Grand Theft Auto 5. I got it for free yesterday because they're offering it for free right now. If you didn't know, so go to the Epic Store and you can get it for free for